Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today let's see how to make a very easy and healthy breakfast recipe, Kerala style Kadala Curry. It's very easy to prepare and makes a very healthy breakfast. It tastes amazing with the perfect blend of flavors. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To start with, let's wash and soak the chana overnight in water or for 6 to 7 hours. Let's add the soaked chana to a cooker. Add half teaspoon of salt to it and pressure cook for 3 to 4 whistles or until it turns soft. As we know, black chana is very rich in protein, enhances our immunity and lowers cholesterol. Also, it's very good for maintaining healthy bones and controls our blood sugar levels. Now you can see our chana is cooked perfectly soft. Keep it aside. Next, let's prepare our masala. I am adding 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to a pan. Once the oil is hot, I am adding in half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next goes in the spices cinnamon, cloves and kalpasi. Let them crackle for a few seconds. Now let's add sliced onions. I have taken 2 number of onions. Let's fry the onions in medium heat until they turn light brown. Add few curry leaves and 3 to 4 number of red chilies. Next goes in few pieces of ginger and some garlic. Toss it in medium heat. Coconut oil gives an authentic taste and wonderful flavor to our kadala curry. Next, let's add sliced tomatoes. Let's cover and cook the tomatoes in medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes or until the tomatoes becomes mushy. While the tomatoes are getting cooked, let's prepare our coconut paste. I have taken 1 cup of coconut pieces in a blender. Let's add some water and grind it to smooth paste. Now our tomatoes are cooked well. Turn off the heat. Allow the mixture to get cooled. Let's add the mixture to the blender. Without adding any water, let's grind our mixture to fine masala paste. Once the masala is ready, let's start preparing our curry. Add some 1 to 2 teaspoon of coconut oil to the same pan. Once the oil is hot, let's temper with 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds and half teaspoon of urad dal and few curry leaves for flavor. Let them crackle for a few seconds in medium heat. Now add some 10 to 12 number of small onions. Addition of small onions makes this kadala curry more tasty and flavorful. Fry it for a few minutes and add some 2 to 3 number of red chilies. Once the onions are cooked, let's add the cooked chana along with the water. And then add the freshly ground masala paste. Mix well and allow to cook on medium heat. Now let's add the flavorful spices 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and half teaspoon of garam masala powder. It's always best to use homemade garam masala powder. It gives the authentic taste and flavors to the dish. You can check out the video recipe link in the below description. Combine well and allow to cook until the raw flavor of the masala powder goes away. Next, let's add the fresh coconut paste. Let's add enough water and adjust the consistency of the curry. In this stage, we can taste and adjust salt and spiciness to suit up our taste. Let's cover and cook on medium heat for 2 more minutes or until everything gets blended well. This Kerala style curry is very popular for its amazing flavors. Simmer the kadala curry for a couple of minutes in low heat. Wow, the kadala curry just smells amazing. Turn off heat and garnish with few curry leaves and coriander leaves. That's it, our delicious kadala curry with tempting aroma is ready. It makes a perfect healthy breakfast or a very delicious and filling lunch or dinner. It's very easy to prepare this healthy dish and it tastes amazing with the right blend of flavors to our taste buds. Puttu and Kadala curry is a made for each other divine combo. I love to prepare Puttu and Kadala curry for our weekend breakfast. It just makes a made for each other divine combo. Also, this mouth-watering curry can be enjoyed with appam, dosa, idiyappam, roti and even with rice. So friends, I hope you'll all try this simplest and popular kadala curry recipe and let me know how it turned out for you in the below comments. And do subscribe our channel for the latest notifications, health tips and new recipe updates. Until I meet you all with the next healthy recipe, take care, eat healthy, stay safe, bye bye.